4. Penne all'arrabbiata. To make penne all'arrabbiata, you will need 300 g of penne, 1 clove of garlic, 1 hot red pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/2 glass of white wine, 1/2 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, extra virgin olive oil, sale, chopped parsley to decorate. Boil water in a large pot and salt it. Add the pennette and cook them al dente following the cooking time indicated on the package. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, heat a little extra virgin olive oil. Add the garlic clove and the finely chopped hot red pepper and fry them for a few minutes. Add the tomato paste, white wine, water, and sugar. Mix well and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Adjust the salt if necessary. Drain the pennette al dente and transfer them to the pan with the sauce. Mix well to make them flavor and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the pennette all'arrabbiata to a serving dish and sprinkle with the chopped parsley. Serve hot. Enjoy your meal. Here are some useful tips for preparing penne all'arrabbiata. If you want the sauce to be spicier, you can increase the amount of red pepper flakes or add other spices such as curry or hot paprika. If you want a more flavorful sauce, you can add some sliced mushrooms or some chopped bacon or sausage. If you want a creamier sauce, you can add grated cheese or heavy cream. If you want to prepare vegetarian penne all'arrabbiata, you can replace the bacon or sausage with legumes such as chickpeas or beans. If you're short on time, you can prepare the arrabbiata sauce ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator for a few days or freeze it to use at a later time. If you've made too much salsa, you can refrigerate or freeze it for later use, or you can use it on other types of pasta or as a filling for sandwiches or sandwiches. If you have fresh chiles on hand, you can use them instead of dried or powdered chiles. Keep in mind that fresh chiles are usually hotter than dried or powdered ones, so you'll need to adjust the amount based on your personal taste.